Hi children, good morning everyone. So how are you? This is the class first children. Class first children, that is EVS subject, and this is the EVS subject. And what you have done yesterday, we have learned about the clean, fit and healthy lesson. This is the lesson number 4, and I hope you have done exercise today, right? And moreover you are learning a lot. So just we have continue with this one. This is keeping clean. What are the things we have to do in the daily morning? Okay, that is, we have to brush our teeth twice a day, we have to bath every day. Yes, we have to use a clean towel to wipe ourselves, right? And we must wear the clean clothes, and we have to wash our hands before and after eating, and we must do the exercise. What is the spelling for exercise, children? EXERCISE, exercise. Okay, and exercise keeps us what, children? Very fit, very healthy. Okay, not only exercise is important, we have to eat the good food also. Okay, now next one is rest and sleep. So now we are going to learn about what, children? Rest and sleep. WEOE, GET, get, TIRED, tired. We get tired after, 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 WEV, work or play, WORK, work, OR or PLAY. We, must, 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 REST, rest. We get tired after we work or play. So whenever you are tired, you want to sleep, you want to take the rest, right, children? We must rest when, WHEN, when we feel tired. When we feel tired. Whenever we are feeling very tired after doing a lot of, going to school, after coming to school, we are getting tired. Yes or no, children? That is tired. What is the spelling of tired, children? TIRED. So please underline this, children. TIRED, tired. Tired means we are feeling very tired, we are feeling very exhausted, right? After anything we are doing, see, when we are losing the energy, then we are getting very tired. Whenever you are doing very work. If we do, do, not, not, get, ENOUGH, enough. What is this, children? Enough, rest, REST, rest. We can, can, FALL, fall, SICK, sick. We can fall sick. We can FALL, fall, SICK, sick. Okay, see, whole sentence we have to read, children. If we do not get enough rest, we can fall sick. We must, SLEEP, sleep, FOR, for 8 hours, EIGHT, 8, HOURS, hours. We must get sleep for 8 hours. Every night, EVRY, every, NIGHT, night. We must sleep for 8 hours every night. So how much time we have to sleep, children? We have to sleep for 8 hours. If we are very tired, and we are every day we have to take rest of 8 hours. Okay, please underline this, children. 8 hours. Yes, our body, OUR, whenever, see, after full stop what they have written, children? Capital letter, right? Our body gets rest, GETS, gets, REST, rest, WHEN, when, we sleep. So our body gets rest when we sleep. So actually, children, whenever we are sleeping now, so our body gets heal also. Okay, it is actually it is now getting energy back when we are sleeping. That is the reason what we have to do. We have to, if we suppose we are not taking the sleep for 8 hours, then we are feeling more tired, because our body is not again, it is not energy getting back. That is the reason we have to sleep for 8 hours. Okay children. WEV must go to bed early. We must go to bed early. Okay children, if you will go to bed early in the night, then you will early to rise. So early to bed, early to rise. Maybe you have seen these idioms so many times. Yes, early to bed, early to rise. So we have to, when we are going to bed early, then we can have enough sleep and enough rest, so that we can get up early in the morning. Okay children. WEV must, MUST must, ALSO also, wake up early. So WAKE wake, UP up, EARLY. So we must wake up early also, because when we will go to bed early, then we have the proper rest, proper sleep, and then we can automatically, we will getting early in the morning. Okay, so this is about the sleep and rest and sleep. So when we get tired after work, we will play. See this girl, how she is taking the rest very nicely now. Yes. Now next one is staying healthy. Staying healthy. Please underline this children, healthy. Spelling of healthy, HEALTHY. HEALTHY, healthy. To keep healthy, to keep, 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 HEALTHY, healthy, we, SHOULD, should, should eat healthy food. We must eat healthy food. Okay, food helps us to grow. Okay, this one you have to you have already learnt in the lesson number 3, that is food. Okay, food helps us to grow. Okay, it gives, it also, ALSO, also gives us energy. It also gives us energy. We must also drink clean water. So see children, for staying healthy, we have to exercise every day. We have to bath, we have to brush, we have to clean ourselves, and then we have to eat the clean and fresh food also, and we have to drink the clean water also. Okay, and whenever we are staying healthy, then all the diseases are away from us. Yes. So what we have to see, again I am saying children, to keep healthy, we should eat healthy food. Food helps us to grow. It also gives us energy. We must also drink clean water. Okay children, so this is the lesson about the clean, fit and healthy, about the cleanliness, about the keeping fit, and about the rest and sleep, and about the staying and keeping healthy. Okay, so let us do the quick recapitulation, that is called as a recap. Okay, WEV must keep ourselves, OURSELVEES, ourselves. Please repeat after me children. Ourselves. Yes. Clean. We must keep ourselves clean. WEV must brush our teeth. We must brush our teeth and bath every day. Okay. WEV must brush our teeth and bathe every day. Okay. Exercise. What is this children? Exercise. What is the spelling for exercise children? EXERCISE. Exercise. Please repeat after me children. EXERCISE. Exercise. Keeps us fit. Keeps us fit. FIT, fit. WEV must. MOST, must. REST, rest. When. WHEN, when. WEV GET, get. TIRED, when we get tired. Please read it out children. exercise keeps us fit. We must rest when we get tired. We must rest when we get tired. Okay. We must eat healthy food. What we have to do, children? WEVMUST must, EAT eat, HEALTHY. What is the spelling for children? Healthy. HEALTHY, healthy. Please learn it out. Please repeat after me. HEALTHY. Yes. FOOD, food. So we must eat healthy food. So this is the lesson of clean, fit and healthy. So tomorrow we will do the textual exercises. Okay children, this I will do. Okay, this we will do tomorrow. And till here, if you have any doubts, means what are the different types of exercises, if you have any doubts in this chapter, you can ask us children. Okay children, take care children, bye everyone.